Hello everyone, today I'm going to be removing the seats out of my 1982 Rabbit truck. So to remove the seat, you're going to want to remove this thing here on the front of the seat. I've already got it loose. And my seat was stuck, so I took a pry bar and hit that leg back there with it to get it to start to move, because you're going to need to move this seat back to take it out of the runner it's in. To get the seat pushed back all the way, you're going to need to use this lever to tilt the seat forward. Here you can see the underside of it, the legs that go into the runners. Now I'm on the passenger side, which is pretty much exactly the same as the driver's side. You will need a 10mm wrench to get the nut off. Next, you're going to pull up on the lever to tilt the seat forward. On mine, the plastic cover is gone, but the lever is still there. If your seat is stuck and it won't go forwards or backwards, you're going to want to take a crowbar and hit the back bar and lift up on that lever. That would allow you to push the seat back, and then hammer the bar. I found that if I hammered on the seat too high up from where it is in the runner, the part that goes in the runner started to bend. So if you can, get the crowbar inside the runner to hammer on the seat to push it out. What I'm doing next, once I have the seat broken loose from the runner, I'm pushing it back out the rest of the way and lifting up on it. If you might get it caught in the carpet, so you'll have to push the carpet down to get it pushed out the rest of the way. Once you work the seat out of the runner, you can go ahead and lift up on the seat and lift it out. And that is how you remove the seats on a 1982 Rabbit truck.